At some point, we all need to go to the hospital, whether for a minor or major illness. Getting treatment at a hospital is the right choice. But what if the hospital is actually making us sicker? Even though staff wear masks and sanitize often to prevent infections, some bacteria still survive and resist these measures, posing a risk to patients' health. Pseudomonas, one of the most stringent and pathogenic bacteria, is mainly found in soil and water. It is highly dangerous because it can cause many diseases such as lung infections and blood infections. Generally in hospitals, the medical equipments are sanitized through chemical disinfectants. But microbes start to develop resistance to these chemical-based disinfectants after a certain period of time. Since our country has a large agricultural population that works with soil every day, these bacteria can easily spread through our bodies. When a bacteria stops responding to any chemical-based disinfectant, it means that they have developed resistance to that disinfectant. Pseudomonas has become resistant to many disinfectants used in the hospitals, making it a multi-drug resistant bacteria, which is why Pseudomonas is a serious problem in hospitals. It is a worrying issue. Although these bacteria can infect any part of the human body, they mostly infect our respiratory tract and urinary tract, as well as the wounds left after surgery. It can spread from person to person, water or surface contacts. We have often lagged behind in sanitation, which is why we suffer from many diseases and end up in the hospital. If hospitals also lack effective sanitation against bacteria like Pseudomonas, it has become a serious concern for us. That's why Osson Laboratories India have introduced Miracle Everyday L42, a certified hospital-grade disinfectant that is 100% organic and plant-based solution. So what does Miracle Everyday L42 do? Miracle Everyday L42 is a 99.999% effective solution against many bacteria, virus and fungus, including Staphylococcus aureus, E. coli, Salmonella, Listeria and many more, including Pseudomonas. Miracle Everyday L42 eliminates the pathogens by mechanical killing action through cell wall intrusion, thus not allowing the microbes to develop any resistance against L42. L42 is completely organic solution which is approved by the Ministry of Ayush, India. Pseudomonas and many other microscopic bacteria have made effective hospital sanitation difficult. Now, with Miracle Everyday L42, we aim to change that. We hope to work with all the hospitals, medical institutions and other stakeholders to shift from chemical sanitation to an organic and safe solution. Miracle Everyday L42 is an effective solution for the safety of all hospital staff and patients, maintaining a healthy and sanitized environment in hospitals. Visit for more information.